Is getting more seat time the best way to become a confident trail rider? Look, I understand why you'd believe that. I mean, everyone says seat time is the best teacher because in order to get better, you have to ride, right? Let me ask you this. Does everyone that just tries to get more seat time advance their skills and confidence at the same rate? Do you have a group of riding friends or family that you ride with all the time, but you're not progressing your skills the same rate as they are? In fact, you could keep trail riding for many years without much to show for it if you keep operating with that same belief. Now, the common mistake is when trying to get more seat time, it's easy to think that, oh, well, I can just teach myself or have my buddy that's better than me show me how to ride. But this is where you're likely to form bad habits because you might not learn all of the proper techniques. Or if you were taught a proper technique, it's easy to think that what you're doing is right when in reality, you don't have quite the right body position or technique. So the solution is forming positive riding habits. And you do that by learning all of the basic techniques and building your muscle memory by intentionally practicing them until you are able to efficiently ride and have more confidence. And these techniques are not like anything else. They're not like mountain biking or riding a street bike or any other type of machine that you've ridden before, because it requires different body position and more balance, because you never really have 100% traction and you only have two wheels. Mastering the basics will give you more control at low speeds, riding steep hills, tight trails with lots of trees, or new trails that are unknown to you, even if you feel intimidated or awkward while riding your bike. So let me ask you this. Do you want to just continue getting more seat time and struggling to ride with confidence because you can't stay in control on the trails that you want to ride? Or would you rather enjoy riding those fun and new trails because you're confident in your ability to stay in control without stalling, falling, getting stuck, or smashing into a tree and getting hurt? If you're ready to fix that mindset that many trail riders don't, then click the link in the description below or head to motocrosshideout.com/confidence to grab your free Master Your Confidence Trail Riding Handbook, where you'll learn the 5 big mistakes that kill your confidence on the trails. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.